I'm here at the booth for Sensing in 6G, and I'm telling you all about what we are demonstrating here. So sensing, essentially, is the ability for integrating sensing capabilities into mobile networks. Nowadays, mobile networks can only allow you to communicate. There are sensing networks, like at airports, that allow you to perform sensing. And in 6G, we see the integration of sensing networks into a mobile network. Now what we get is essentially the ability for mobile networks to sense unconnected devices like houses, bridges, buildings, people, and it also allows to sense the connected devices, where they are and the position of them. And this allows the network to offer really new use cases around really high localization and tracking, for example, the ability to perform image mapping of the environment, so the network essentially gets a really proper eye of what's going out there. And it allows us to augment human senses, and also it allows the recognition of gestures. So for example, it really allows you to detect that the hand has bent fingers or not, and this will all come in 6G. Now what we have here at the demo is a warehouse scenario where we are placing a remotely controlled vehicle onto a warehouse floor, and there's radar sensors at the warehouse floor allowing us to detect objects on the floor. We have also the vehicle that has distance values like in your car, allowing you to measure how far you are away from a wall or another obstacle. Now all this data is being sent to the mobile network where we fuse and analyze the data, and we offer the data then to the application to enrich your experience. Now in order to also demonstrate that our mobile network can already sense what's going on there, we are using the sensing data to define artificially an area on the warehouse floor where we have poor-point connectivity, and we can track the object, which is in this case the vehicle, where it is on the warehouse floor. And once you're in this particular area, we degrade the network performance so that you get a visual feedback of the mobile network really being able to sense. And of course, in the future, you will see actually the opposite, where mobile networks use sensing information to increase the performance, particularly in the radio access network. So what we have here is the application in order to demonstrate the ability of a mobile network to sense and allowing you to control the robots. Now, you are placed within a virtual reality environment, which is consumed by a headset. And here is the video stream direct coming from the vehicle that you observe as an indication of where you drive your vehicle to. We have a controller allowing you to drive the vehicle back and forth. And we also allow you to see the distance values of how far is the object in front of you. And it has a distance value of behind you, like a wall or whatever it is. Now, if I'm moving forward, I'm driving into this area that is marked here. And we see now that it says on top poor connectivity. And that is essentially the mobile network already sensing what is going on. It can track the vehicle precisely. And we are degrading the quality of the video. And you can see the video stalls. And once we are out of the area, the video is fluently back, and it doesn't lose any frames.